Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can send bulk emails on HubSpot. So here I am on the HubSpot dashboard. So first you need to import your contacts. For that you need to click on contacts, then go to, and then you need to click on import. Here you need to click start and import, and you need to import your contacts from your spreadsheet. So click on file from computer, click next. I have one file, and make sure it has one object on your spreadsheet, and then click on contacts and click next. And here you need to upload your spreadsheet. I have it on my desktop. It is a dummy file I just created for the sake of video. Here you need to click on next, and here you can name it. I'm going to name it dummy contacts. Then make sure to select these two checkboxes, and then click finish import. So once you have imported, all you need to do is go to your dashboard and then click on marketing, and then go to email. Here you need to click on create email, choose regular one, and then here you need to select your template according to your needs. If you want to promote your products, you can select promotion. If you want to start from scratch, you can click on plain email. So I'm going to go with tempo, and this is where you can edit your email. So once you have edited your email, you need to click on settings, and here you need to write your subject line, and then here you can write your preview text. Then you need to click on send or schedule, and this is where you need to select the contacts that you imported. Since this was the file that I imported, I'm going to checkbox this, and then click on review and send, and this will send the mail to all the contacts in one click. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next one.